green flag. Not a pretty start. And the Anza driver, Sweet Ogre, going to lead him into turn number 1. Here comes Myers in the number 13 with 1 win already this year. Here comes Keller. Keller missed the first race. He's been fast since. He gets squeezed down the back straight. He slides back to 5th. Around goes Pack. And everybody misses them. Good job, guys. We'll stay green. 1 lap down, 24 to go. Camaro's running first 4 spots. Nova running 5th. Then it's a Camaro, a Nova, another Camaro, and a green car. Not sure what that one is. Problems for the 9 car. Problems for Keller. Has to take it off. That was a fast car at the start of this one. Battle for the 3rd place spot. The number 36, the blue car, Lanny Savage. The 99, the point leader, Cameron Beach. Well, Myers is not letting Sweet Ogre rest. Here he comes. Challenge going into turn number 3. 13 going down the inside of Ogren. Seeing if he can take the lead away. Side by side up turn number 4. It's going to be Swede by a car length. Lanny Savage goes off-road racing. Thought it was a night of destruction. Now Myers again going to the inside of Ogren. Ogren powers back by him on the outside. Keller back on the racetrack. Got to assume it was a flat tire on the left side of that 9 car. Now Ogren bobbles. That hands the lead to Myers. 6 down, 19 to go. 3rd spot is Beats. 4th spot from the back, it's Cook. 5th spot, it's Kintop. Last race winner, Burks running in 6th. 7th spot, it's Savage. 8th spot, Pack. 9th spot, Keller. Guy in 2nd, the 2 car came in 2nd in points last race. But he missed the race. He was out fighting fires. Mike Burks trying to slide into the top 5, leaning all over Kintop. Boy, Kintop went to the top that time in 2 and found a good drive off the corner. Allows him to maintain the 5th place spot. Tried it again in 3 and 4 and it didn't work. Burks went to the inside, slams together with him. Burks takes over 5th. As his sister cheers him on. Kintop trying to take that 5th place spot away from Burks again. He goes around the outside, moves the 88 back to 5th. And that little tangle did something to Burks' car. Gets the mating a flat tire. He's trying to get it off the racetrack, get to the infield. Tough break for Mike Burks. 10 laps down, 15 to go. Out front, it is Myers. 2nd spot, it's Ogren. 3rd spot, closing a little on the leaders. A 99 Beats. 4th spot, it's Cook. 5th, Kintop. 6th, Savage. 7th spot, it is Pack. 8th spot, it is Keller. Once again, Keller is a couple laps down at least. Now Myers closing in on the lap traffic. First one he comes up to is Pack. No problem getting around the green car. And the leader loses it. Here comes Ogren. Leader gets way sideways up the racetrack. Veach misses him. New leader once again is Sweet Ogren. Up to second, it's Veach. Third spot now, it's Myers. Fourth, Cook. Boy, he just stepped all over himself with that move. We're halfway through. 13 down, 12 laps to go. Mike Burke's coming back on the racetrack. He is laps down. Ogren about a quarter straight lead over Veach. Remember, Veach, the two-time defending champion, is the current point leader. He has not won a main event yet this year, though. That's the 99 car in second. Myers with his issue. Went from first back to third. He was clearly the fastest car on the racetrack at that point. He's got 9 laps to catch second and the leader. And he is moving in a little bit. Street stock main event, IMCA modified, still to come. Fourth spot is the 88, actually the 84 car, Cook. Fifth is the 88 Kintop. And the 2 goes around, Ogren goes around. Same spot Myers did. That puts Veach in the lead. And you know he is going to tiptoe through turn 2. Swede went from the lead back to fourth. Myers has made up some ground, but with only less than 5 laps to go, he's not going to make up a half straightaway on Veach. Veach trying to put a lap on the 36 car of Lanny Savage. Lanny slides up right in front of him. Now Veach gets a run on the outside. He's got a tiptoe around that lapper. That allows Myers to make up a little bit of ground, but not nearly enough. There'll be 2 laps remaining this time when they go past the starter stand. Kevin Wieners gets his white flag ready to fly. Looks like more issues for the number 9 car. Tough break for him as he was off to a good start when this thing got going. Last lap flag, 1 to go for Cameron Veach. Ogren has gotten back by Cook. He's up to third. Checker's going to come down this time by the defending champion ×2. Gets his first win of the year. Victory goes to Cameron Beach. Second spot will be Myers. Third spot goes to to Ogren. Fourth goes to Cook. Fifth goes to Quinton. 10:05.89 the time on that main event for the PASCAR American Factory Stocks. Cameron Beach. Jim?
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Looked like that was quite a race. It changed hands a few times.
It did. I finally got a win this year. I thought I wasn't sure what was going on, but
What was your strategy going in?
the car hasn't been running quite right, but actually it was down a little power and it seemed to be a little faster.
That kept you from spinning like some of the others?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. It just kept it coming harder out of the corner, yeah.
Anybody you need to thank?
I need to thank my girlfriend Bonnie, wherever she's at, she's over here, my two friends in the stands, and everybody that's out rooting for me. Thank you.
Congratulations, Cameron.
All right, thanks.